morning friends, I'm Jyoti Hikar and today I'm going to talk about the body cavities. So what is body cavities? Body cavities are the spaces or compartment. The cavities are accommodate organs and the structures. The cavities are a potential spaces contain various fluids. The human body contain two largest body cavities, that are the ventral body cavity and dorsal body cavity. Um, the dorsal body cavity in dorsal body cavity, the brain and spinal cord are located, and the memory surrounded in a central nervous system are known as meninges. The three layers of meninges are there. Um, that is in brain, spinal cord, and in a cranial and spinal cavities are three meninges. Then the differently lined spaces contain different types of fluids. In meninges, for example, the fluid is a cerebrospinal fluid, and in abdominal cavity, the fluid contained in a peritoneum is a serous fluid. Then we go forward to a ventral body cavity. So the ventral body cavity has two main subdivisions, that are the thoracic cavity and abdominopelvic cavity. The thoracic cavity is a more superior subdivision of ventral cavity, and is enclosed in a rib cage. The thoracic cavity contains lungs surrounded by pleural cavity, and the heart is surrounded by pericardial cavity located in a mediastinum. The diaphragm forms floor of the thoracic cavity. Then abdominopelvic cavity is the largest cavity in the body. Then we go forward to a dorsal cavity. So what is dorsal cavity? It contain a cranial cavity and a spinal cavity. Mm, it is a large bean shaped cavity filling most of the upper skull, where a brain is located. um, uh, spinal cavity is a very narrow, a thread-like structure. It has a thread-like structure, and running from a cranial cavity down to entire length of a spinal cord. Um, then then what is the function of these cavities? So the function of these cavities are these cavities contain and protect delicate organs, and uh, ventral cavity allows the significance changes in the size and structure or a shape of organs. They perform their functions, and the anatomical structures are often described in a term, cavity in which they resides. The body maintain its internal organization by means of a membrane sheath, then and other separate compartments. The lungs, the stomach, heart, intestine, for example, can expand and contract without distorting other tissues, or disrupting the cavity nearby organs. The ventral cavity includes thoracic and abdominopelvic cavity and their subdivision. The dorsal cavity includes spinal cavity and cranial cavity, and The other animals, organisms, can also be classified according to type of body they possess, such as pseudocoelomates and proteostome, or uh, c- or coelomates. That's it. Thank you.